What's up guys, I'm M from SpecNreviewz, and today I got a Bluetooth dongle from Wish.com. Not a sponsor. Could be, but not. Anyways, we're gonna find out if it sucks or not. If it actually works. It was only $4, it was free, just had to pay shipping, which was $4. So, I picked up two, one for my husband and one for me. Let's get started. Okay, first things first, you want to plug in your Bluetooth dongle into your computer. Your Bluetooth dongle will light up blue when it's plugged in, and your computer should automatically detect that it's a Bluetooth dongle. Okay, so I installed my Bluetooth dongle into my USB port. The next thing is, you're going to push start, go to your settings, go to devices, then you're going to add the Bluetooth device that you'd like. So in my case, I want my PS4 controller, so I push add device, and then I'm going to pick the mice, keyboard, pins, and audio. Alright, so first I have to set up my PS4 controller, so I'm going to push the share button and the PS4 button, I guess. It's going to start blinking, and I'm going to click that, and it should detect it. Let me try that again. Alright, and there it is. So you just click it, it's going to connect. And right here is what I installed to actually get the keys to work. So what I installed is inputmapper. I will leave the link into the description, and you just download it, install it, and it's good to go. You go to inputmapper right here, and it'll show you your PlayStation controller, and it works really well. Credits to Cornelius Washington. Thanks for posting your video, helped me out a lot. Okay, so now I'm gonna hook up the wireless headset that I have. It's usually used for your phone, but I'm gonna hook it up to my computer. So, and as you can see, the PS4 controller is still connected also, so that makes it really nice. So I'm looking for my device. I'm gonna turn it off for a sec, and then I'm gonna turn it back on in a bit. There we go. And there's my audio device. So now I can listen to music, and I can speak through my headset if I'd like to. So yeah, and it works also with the PlayStation controller connected. Just turn it back on. Alright, so I have my PlayStation controller, and I also have my headset connected, so I can use both at the same time. And it works really good still. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys how to use your controller in-game. Some games you need to calibrate it, so let's go to here really quick. System configuration. Then I'll calibrate it. As you can see, mine's already selected, but it's going to say the Xbox 360 for Windows. That's just because of the program that we're using. So calibrate. And you want to take the controller, go up, down, left, right, up, down, left, right. Up, down, left, right, and then do your buttons. Click in, and you're done. Push LB back. Alright, now that's done. So the nice thing about this is you can actually use this as your mouse, like a trackpad. If I could click it. There we go. And then I could just play on the couch or whatever. Now Final Fantasy already has this option, but it's really nice to use the PlayStation controller because of this function right here. So that makes it easy. And then, yeah. So there's no real big latency at all with the Bluetooth. I don't even recognize any. Let's see, we'll go back. It works. Go forward. It works. So yeah, there's like no latency, which is nice. So, the Bluetooth dongle works great, $4, can't complain, right? Can connect pretty much everything we wanted so far. We connected a wireless headset and also my PS4 controller, which is awesome, and it worked flawlessly. Hardest thing was just to get the drivers for the PS4, but I'll link that in the description below, and you guys can get it started too. So, Wish.com, $4, good, not a sponsor. Thanks for watching. Remember to comment, rate, subscribe, and follow me on my Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook that I'm pointing to over there. And I will be starting to live stream soon, so thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed. I'm Em from SpecNreviewz. I'll catch y'all later. Bye!